Cue card 1, describe something you taught or helped with. Cue. Describe something you taught someone or helped with. You should say who the person was, what you taught or helped with, how you taught them, and explain how you felt about the experience. Model Band 9 answer. A few months ago, I helped my younger cousin prepare for her high school mathematics exams. She struggled particularly with algebra and often felt overwhelmed by the formulas. Since I had always done well in math, I offered to tutor her every weekend. We started by going over foundational concepts she hadn't quite grasped, and I used examples from everyday life to make the lessons easier to understand. I also prepared concise notes and practice exercises to reinforce her learning. Over time, she began answering questions more confidently and even started teaching back some of the trickier topics to me. When she told me she'd scored an A, I was really proud, not just because of her success, but because I saw her self-belief grow. The whole process gave me a deep sense of satisfaction and made me realize that teaching can be incredibly rewarding. Cue card 2, describe a book or movie that impressed you. Cue. Describe a book or movie that impressed you. You should say what it was, what it was about, why it impressed you, and explain how it affected you. Model Band 9 answer. One movie that left a lasting impression on me was The Pursuit of Happiness, starring Will Smith. It's based on a true story about a man who faces extreme financial hardship while raising his young son, yet never gives up on his dreams of becoming a successful stockbroker. What struck me most was the protagonist's perseverance despite overwhelming odds. He lost his home, endured long nights in shelters, and struggled with rejection after rejection, but his unwavering commitment to securing a better life for his son was inspiring. After watching it, I began to view obstacles in my own life as challenges to be learned from rather than insurmountable barriers. The story genuinely motivated me to stay resilient when pursuing my goals. Cue card 3, describe a problem you had and how you solved it. Cue. Describe a problem you had and how you solved it. You should say what the problem was, when and where it happened, how you solved it, and explain what you learned from it. Model Band 9 answer. Last semester, my laptop suddenly crashed just 3 days before my final project deadline. Almost all of my research and draft files were on it, and I hadn't backed them up. At first, I panicked because I thought I'd lose everything. I immediately took the device to a professional technician who was able to recover most of the files. Meanwhile, I borrowed a friend's laptop and worked on rebuilding what was still missing from memory and notes. It was an exhausting few days, but I managed to submit my project on time. This experience taught me 2 vital lessons: always back up important work, and stay calm in crises so you can deal with them logically rather than emotionally. Cue card 4, describe a memorable journey you had. Cue. Describe a journey you really enjoyed. You should say where you went, who you went with, what you did. Explain why it was memorable. Model Band 9 answer. One of the most memorable trips I've ever had was a weekend getaway to the hill station of Munnar in India with my closest friends. We drove up early one Friday morning to make the most of the cool weather and lush scenery. That trip reminded me of the importance of taking breaks and reconnecting with nature. It reinvigorated me for weeks afterwards. Cue card 5. Describe a gift that was special to you. Cue. Describe a gift you received or gave that was special. You should say what the gift was, who gave it to you, Why it was special. And explain how it made you feel. Model Band 9 Answer. A gift that means a lot to me was a handcrafted journal my best friend gave me on my last birthday. She knew I enjoy writing, so she picked a beautifully bound notebook with an inspiring quote engraved on the cover. It wasn't just the journal itself that made it special, the personal message she wrote inside made me realize how well she understands and supports my passions. Since then, I've used it to jot down my thoughts, goals, and memorable experiences. Every time I open it, I'm reminded not just of her friendship, but of how meaningful well-chosen gifts can be.